And one on Junior's cart's a 3/16, so you know
Ooh.
that's got to be standard then.
316.
Well, it's gotta be, yeah, it could be, cause he made this.
Yep.
Joe Stackman made that.
Yep. Give me the standard set.
He made this whole motor mount. You want to cut the back of the motor off, and we added the jack shaft. Yeah, it's gonna be SAE.
Yep. That's it.
You get your gun in there.
Should be able to. Let's do a little leaning. Here.
Do I go put it back?
Yep. What was that? Here.
Is that under there?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Chain.
$600. Oh,
Now what I want to do, Bill.
I'll have to put it back together.
Yep. Right there.
I'll take this in the house.
Yep. I was just trying to get the key out of there. Got it?
Yep.
All right. Those don't have a retainer like the cheetahs, huh? Yeah. Plastic
Oh,
cap.
that came out of it. I'll take it to the house and put it together.
Let me sit in your front seat.
Yeah. We got a box.
Well, you can probably find something. Find a small box over there or something, Junior.
You're just gonna sit there.